Assalamu alaikum. I'm Salman Khan from the world of IT. In this lecture training, you will learn about how to set up a JumpSend account. JumpSend is a tool for Amazon sellers that allows them to promote products on an Amazon deals marketplace with over 1 lakh users. Many Amazon sellers use JumpSend when launching their new products, since it's an affordable way of marketing your products and promotions. Let's get started. Go to JumpSend website, choose seller account and fill out the form. Make sure to choose the appropriate subscription plan. This should have been decided upon before starting the process. Type email address, password, credit card number, expiry date, CVC, address, city, state, zip code, country. Next, you will have to connect your Amazon Marketplace account with JumpSend. Verify you are on the admin account. If you go to user permissions, you can check to see if you are on the admin account by looking at the permission boxes on the right hand side. If you do not see an option to delete the profile, you are on the admin account. Log into your seller central account and navigate to the user permissions page in the settings. Scroll to the bottom of this page and look at the third party developer and apps section. From here, click on visit manage your apps. Once on the manage your apps page, you should be able to add the developer credentials given by the dev platform. In this case, JumpSend, you will need the developer ID and the name. Click on authorize new developer to add information. After you add JumpSend, you shall see the developer listed as an authorized. To the right of the developer, you will see a small blue link labeled view under the MWS. JumpSend will need your MWS and seller ID to all your products and allow you to create promotions and emails. Promotions. After enabling your seller account on JumpSend, you set promotions per the inventory. Click promotions in the upper right hand corner, then create new. Choose the product from the table or search by ASIN. If there is a large catalog, enter the product description. If it does not auto populate from Amazon, set the product category and click the radio button to use a keyword targeted URL only. Utilize the first two keyword fields. Verify the keyword to ensure it works. Protect inventory. Select yes per inventory protection. Set the order quantity to 1 and 99 on the drop down box per after the promotion limit order quantity. Set the start and end date. Create the promotion on the Amazon side and insert the claim codes into the JumpSend. Create opens menu promotions tag at least per hours to go into effect. In the next step, choose automatic approval and approve of to half the total amount of coupons per day. Finally, review the promotion and then launch it. Please feel free to give your comment if you face any difficulty here.